about you guys.
She has a different voice and a different understanding.
Hi, I'm Audree Grubesic. I'm with OffSite Dirt, and we are here at VSCon 2022, and I'm with Thomas. He's one of the winners of the youth program for Passive House. Tell us a little bit about you, Thomas, and this project you did.
I am from Taylorsville, Illinois. I'm currently a vocational teacher at the Taylorsville High School. But before that, I was a student of our amazing building trades program where we build houses, we build them for high performance, and we try to achieve what we can do as a high school, and that's what we strive for, just trying to build better.
And you know, it's interesting because you were a student and now you're a teacher. Why did you go into teaching?
I went into teaching because I had two great vocational teachers in high school. Wes Amer, who is now a principal at Capital Area Career Center, which is like a off-site learning experience for high schoolers. And I also had Matt Bloomquist, who's the current building trades instructor, and I learned how important it was to not just grasp the information, but take that information and share it to other people.
So you were telling us about building with your hands. Do you do that same thing with your classes now?
Yeah, so I teach an introductory level shop class, basic tool identification, learning how to read a tape measure correctly. But then once they get all that stuff in the first semester, we take all of that information, learn how to do wall mock-ups and woodworking projects and all of that in the second semester to apply it to the trades. Then I also have a mechanical drafting and computer automated drafting program where they learn how to create these sketches and how to demonstrate it to other people.
So this is so interesting. We are creating new curriculums. We are changing the way we deal with the youth, and here's a perfect example. Thank you for doing this.
No problem.
This is awesome.
I don't know about you guys.
She has a different voice and a different understanding.